is November 7th, 2021. I hit every pretty big milestone. Almost done with this Wing Modular system setup. Pause for this. This is Boba Severus Octavius, future doctor, hopefully Stanford. Getting this done. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch this setup. So I'll set up a quad first with the quad base. So scale notes, a skeleton. And this is something I would ideally demo for J.K. Rowling. Or for Spider-Man or Star Wars or whatever needs to be done. Launch the wing tool. So I can come over here on the top and go bat wing or bird wing. The bat wings aren't done yet. Bird wings are done. I can do left, right, or both. I'll do both. Symmetrical or asymmetrical, I'll do symmetrical. Create some. You can see they're scaling together. I'll tone this down. Just a tad, 0.8. And then what I do is come to this setup. And when I call these, I'll call these guys frontal wings, and I'll put a underscore in there. And then come to the layering system of the hippogriff. So that's what you want this to be. And pick a deformation skeleton for the spine. And then animation skeleton. And then control rig setup. And then the left wing, hit, done. The right wing, hit, done. And the wings are complete. And they work. And FK for the fingers. The bat to do next. That won't be that bad. And dual control. If I want, come through and add. This is some weird creature or something. You can come up here and go another bird wing right. Symmetrical. I'll go left. Left symmetrical. It doesn't matter. Move this guy out here like this. And then pick the, I'll call this one rear wings. And I'll pick the deformation skeleton. Then the animation skeleton. Then the control rig. The wing. Done. And now you have a wing that's on the tip of the tail. So you can add as many wings as you want to this setup. And it's the modular tool. So I have to do the bat wing last. It won't take that long. But yes, Boba Severus Octavius, future doctor of engineering at Stanford and multimillionaire soon to be, is kicking ass, taking names. So awesome stuff. Thanks, guys. When I get the bat wing done, I'll be demoing it on some characters that I make up, a Balrog and well, that. So, okay, all right, thanks.